Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play on piano as accompaniment As It Was by Harry Styles. So obviously there's no piano in the actual track. It's the same 4 chords all the way through, and then we've got this interesting synth part that we can add in there as well. I will sing just as like a reference point, but I've also left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well. So here is middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. This one is in the key of A major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A major. So we have 3 sharps, so F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. So we're going to look at the intro first. The right hand will be orange on the screen, the left hand is going to be blue there. So we'll do the right hand first. So the notes are all on the screen. So we have A, B, C sharp, B, 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 A, and then E, E, C sharp. I'll do that again. So if I count it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we count it like that. And then the next part goes A, B, C sharp, B, 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 A, B, A. I do that again. Then you repeat those 2 again. So that's the synth part basically for the right hand, and then the left hand. So because this is a piano interpretation of the accompaniment, I guess because it's mainly for beginners or for those who haven't been playing for that long, so I'm just going to hold the chords down. So we're going to need to play them in the left hand because the right hand is busy playing the synth part. So the first chord is a B minor chord. So that's B, D and F sharp. The next chord is E major, so that's E, G sharp and B. I'm playing all these in root position as well. And then the last chord we need for the intro is A major, so it's A, C sharp and E. So again we have B minor, E major, A major. So in terms of putting that together, so the right hand synth part comes in first, so I'm using the pedal, and then together here with the B minor. Change to the E. Change to the A. I'll do all that again, a little bit quicker this time. And then it'll be into the verse. I've really listened to the chords and what else is happening in the track and notes that stick out. So the rest of these chords are going to be in inversions, so it's voiced in the right way, so it sounds as much like the track as possible for the accompaniment. So I'll teach both hands now at the same time. So now the right hand is going to play the chords, and the left hand we're just going to hold down the root note of those chords. So the first chord is D major, so D in the left hand, and then second inversion. They're all going to be second inversion chords. So A, D, F sharp. And we hold that down. Holding me back. And then the next chord is a B minor second inversion. So B in the left hand. In the right hand we need F sharp, B and D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next chord is E major, because again this note is sticking out. It's like a synthy or a guitar sound, so I'm basing it off of this note being the highest note of each chord. So second inversion again, so E major, so E in the left hand, and then B, E, G sharp, 2, 3, 4, and then second inversion again of A major, so A in the left hand, and then E, A, C sharp in the right hand. So let's go over those chords again. D major, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4, E major, 2, 3, 4, A major, 2, 3, 4. Repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can divide the notes between the hands however you want to as well. So if I just demonstrate this verse then. Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced, and I am the one who will stay. Oh. And then we're into the chorus. The chords are almost going to be played the same. I'm now going to play octaves in my left hand, because now it's amping up a little bit. So sometimes my lowest notes that I'll be playing with my little finger will be out of shot. I just want to be as zoomed in as possible. So the first chord of D is the same. And then we'll go to B minor. But then this chord, this note is sticking out by some sort of synth or guitar sound. So we're going to incorporate that. So we're going to change the way we play this E major chord. So we'll play E's in the left hand, or if you can't stretch octaves, obviously just play E or E and B. So in the right hand we're going to play E, G sharp, so we have the major third. You can play the B in there as well if you want to, or you can just play E, G sharp and C sharp. Play the B in there if you want a bit more colour. So it's an E6 chord because this is a 6th note of E major, and then I feel like this note is sticking out on top of the A major chords. It's first inversion, so A is in the left hand, or A and E, and then C sharp, E and A. It's just a slight variation of two of those chords. So again, we've got D major, B minor, A6, A first inversion. So that's the first time, and then we do it again, but this time it's the same as the verse. So second inversion of all of the chords. Again, just trying to be as accurate as possible. And then we've got the synth part again. So this time we have the D major chord in here as well, so you can play just D, F sharp and A. So we'd go, and then B minor, E major, and then A major. So that's what we need for the chorus. So it's almost what we've covered already. It's just those slight two variations of the E6 and a different inversion of A major, if you want it to be as exact as possible. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. And then it's straight into the second verse. So we're going to play the second verse just the same way as we played the first verse. Answer the phone, Harry, you're no good alone. Why are you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell and nobody's coming daddy lives by himself. He just wants to know that you will. Oh. Okay, so for this next chorus, the chords are on the screen. There's nothing new. We just play 2 lots of the D minor. We just play 2 lots of the D major, B minor, E6, A first inversion. So we do that twice in this second chorus instead of once in the first chorus. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. And then we are into the bridge. So it's the same 4 chords. We're going to play exactly the same way as the verse. Go home, get a headlight, speed internet. I don't want to talk about the way that it was. Leave America, 2 kids follow her. I don't want to talk about who's doing it first. Then it's into this again by itself. And then to the B minor, E major, A major, D, B minor, E major, A, and then by itself it just goes. And that's how it ends. So I'll just do that bridge again. Go home, get a headlight, speed internet. I don't want to talk about the way that it was. Leave America, 2 kids follow her. I don't want to talk about who's doing it first. Gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems that you can't be replaced, and I'm the one who will stay. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. Answer the phone, Harry, you're no good alone. Why are you sitting there plumb on your floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell, and nobody's coming to help. Your daddy lives by himself. He just wants to know that you will. Oh, in this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. Go home, get letterhead, speed internet. I don't wanna talk about us doing it first. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.